Here we have a perfect example of what it means when no good deed goes unpunished. Here I loaned my lawnmower to a relative and they brought it back, and of course I didn't look at it, of course, but they said you know what, well, first they said, oh, I came out a couple days ago to mow the grass, and I hadn't used it since the relative brought the lawnmower back. But anyway, the relative informed me that he started the lawnmower and checked it before he returned it. However, the engine is locked up, and I don't know if you can see the blade. The blade is almost folded in two right there. So anyway, the kind relative stated that he started the mower before he brought it back to me, and well, that's just absolutely impossible. So if you're seeing this video, you know who you are, and I think it was a pretty crap thing to do. I was kind enough to let you use my lawnmower and you bring it back completely destroyed. Okay, man, we'll see you. No good deed goes unpunished, people. Remember that.